Instead of baking many small cakes separately, you can use just one bread pan to bake a full cake and then turn it into multiple mini cake slices for sale. This method is simple, beginner friendly, and perfect if you want to start a small cake business from home with little capital. So in this video, I will be showing you the full process from mixing the batter to baking, slicing, and of course packaging the cakes. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the main topic. So I started by mixing my dry ingredients, which include flour, baking powder, powdered milk flavor, and nutmeg. You can choose to add salt, but for me I didn't add salt because the butter I'm using is salted butter, so there is no need of adding salt, okay? Mix everything together and set aside. Then into another bowl, crack in your eggs. And for this recipe, I'm making use of 5 eggs. After that, add in your liquid vanilla flavor. Go ahead and whisk until it is well combined together. Once you are done mixing, also set that aside. So guys, I actually creamed my butter off camera. And to achieve this, you only need butter and sugar to mix until you achieve this fluffy texture. So guys, it is time to mix because our buttercream, liquid ingredients and dry ingredients are ready. And to do that, you have to pour in the egg mixture into the buttercream and mix very well until it is combined together. Once that is done, add in your flour and gently fold in. See I don't know if I'm the only one that like mixing my cake with my bare hands. If you're on this table, let me know in the comment section below. Once the egg mixture and the dry ingredients are exhausted, go ahead and add in your liquid milk. If you don't have liquid milk, you can actually make use of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, and mix with half cup of water. So you see, you don't have to break a bank before you can make a cake, okay? Gently fold in until you have a smooth batter. Please do not overmix your batter, okay? Once you are done mixing, get your already greased pan and transfer the butter into it. Remember, we are baking this cake with our bread pan because we want to have so many mini cakes we can sell from our homes. Once you are done, transfer into your oven and allow to bake for at least 15 minutes to 1 hour. After minutes of baking, this is what our cake looks like. You just have to allow it to cool down before bringing it out from the pan. This step is important because cutting a hot cake can make it break down or lose shape. So after cooling, I'll go ahead and slice the cake into small portions. And honestly guys, this is where the business idea becomes interesting. One full cake can turn into multiple mini cake slices that you can sell individually. See you can actually make more profits by selling cake slices than selling one whole cake. This is not just talking, I'm telling you the truth for free. If you're a student, a stay-at-home baker, or anyone trying to build a baking business gradually, then this idea is definitely for you. You just need to try this out and come back for your testimony. And mind you guys, the lowest amount you can sell one slice is 1K, depending on your location. Some can even sell 1,500 or 2,000 depending on your location, as I said at the initial time. And not only that, you can even go as far as dividing one slice into 2 for people that cannot afford the 1,000 naira own. And once that is done, you can sell it at the rate of 500 naira or 600 naira depending on your location. I'm emphasizing on location because most times our location determines the price tag of our products. So my loves, I hope this video gives you the idea and motivation to start your own mini cake business from home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now, and I will see you on my next one.